If you're wondering how to make money with Pinterest and Amazon, this video is for you. In today's video, we're walking through how to make money with Pinterest and Amazon. I'll show you exactly what you need to get started, how to set up your accounts, and how to make sure you're pinning your links in the right way so your content gets seen and your account stays safe. Maybe you've heard about Pinterest affiliate marketing and you're curious how to actually make it work using Amazon products. I'm going to walk you through the exact process you need to get started. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online shop owners, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. In today's video, we're walking through how to make money with Pinterest and Amazon. Make sure to watch our previous video on getting started with Pinterest affiliate marketing. It'll help you figure out your niche, do some keyword research, and get everything set up behind the scenes. I'll link it in the description below. And if that sounds like your vibe, hit like and subscribe so you get more videos like this to help you grow faster on Pinterest without burning out. To start making money with Pinterest and Amazon, you're going to need 3 things. Number 1, a Pinterest business account. This will give you access to analytics, SEO tools, Pinterest ads, all the stuff you need to actually monetize on the platform. If you haven't set that up yet, we've got a full tutorial and I'll link it below. It's super easy and completely free. Number 2, you're gonna need a website. While you can technically pin affiliate links directly on Pinterest, it's not best practice, and Amazon usually requires a website or strong social media presence to get approved for their affiliate program. So having a site is a win-win. If you don't have one already, we recommend using Hostinger. It's one of the most beginner-friendly ways to set up a site. Fast, cheap, and secure. You can get your domain name, hosting, and privacy protection for just a few bucks a month. They even have an AI site builder where you can get your site online and completely built in 30 minutes or less. We're not walking through the full website tutorial in this video, but if you need that info, let me know in the comments or check the description for the link. Number 3, you're going to need an Amazon Associates account. This is Amazon's official affiliate program. It's free to join, and once approved, you'll get access to all the links and promotions you can use for your pins, blog posts, and landing pages. I'll explain exactly how to apply in just a moment. How to set up your Amazon Associates account. Once you've got your Pinterest business account and website ready, head on over to affiliate-program.amazon.com. From here, you can scroll down to the FAQs and you'll see more about qualifications. Here you'll see that you either need a website or a social media influencer account. These are 2 slightly different paths, but since we've already created a website, we're going to try and qualify with that. So at the bottom of the page, click sign up. From here, you'll be prompted to create a new Amazon account if you've got a dedicated email for this business, or log in with an existing one. Next, you'll enter your website URL and explain how you plan to use these affiliate links. Just say you'll be promoting products through your Pinterest content and your website. After that, add your basic details and tax info, then click submit. But once approved, you'll get access to your Amazon Associates dashboard. This is where I'll walk you through exactly how to find products, grab links, and add those to your pins. Finding products and getting your affiliate links. Assuming you've already got your niche figured out and you've checked out some popular trends, you'll probably have a good idea of the types of products you want to promote. So here's what you do. Log into your regular Amazon account, the one tied to your associate's email, and search for the product that you want. Let's say it's beach season and foldable beach chairs are trending. Type that in. You'll see a ton of results. Find one that makes sense for your content. Either something you've used, something with great reviews, or something that clearly fits your audience. For example, if they care about luxury, go for a high-end beach chair. If they're more budget conscious, pick something affordable or on sale. Once you've picked a product, look up at the top of the screen. You should see something called the Site Stripe bar. It shows up automatically once you're in the Amazon Associates program. If you don't see it, just head to your account settings and turn it on. That Site Stripe lets you grab your affiliate link without ever leaving the page. Just hover over it and click Get Link. From there, choose the short version. That's the one you'll want. Now that you've got your custom affiliate link, you can drop that into a blog post, a product roundup, a resource page, or in some cases, directly into a Pinterest pin. But I'll explain that part next. Where to put your affiliate links. All right, so now you've got your affiliate link, let's talk about where does it actually go. Like I mentioned earlier, it's better to place this link inside a blog post, a roundup, or even a landing page. Something like, what's in my beach bag, or top 5 summer chairs for busy moms. Anything that gives people a little more context before they hit the sales page. Now, if you do want to test adding a link directly on Pinterest, there is a way to tag it as a product. You're going to want to use the Pinterest mobile app. Create a pin, and at the bottom, you'll see the option to tag a product. Paste your affiliate link here. Pinterest should pull in the product preview and let you mark it as an affiliate link. This works great if you've got original photos, lifestyle shots, custom collages, but just keep in mind you cannot reuse the same image and link over and over. Pinterest wants fresh content. So yes, it can work, but as you can see, it will take time to write each post and come up with creative pins and keep it all organized. That's why I recommend using an automation tool like Pin Generator to make your pins and content for you. I'll quickly walk you through what that looks like and why it's been a game changer for me. Pin Generator is a tool I use to automate almost everything we talked about, from creating fresh designs and batching pins to even scheduling them. Here's why I love it. First, it lets you batch create pins in minutes. Just drop in your blog post or product link and it will pull everything together. Headlines, images, designs. It puts them all in beautiful templates and in your brand colors. Second, it uses AI to make fresh pins so you're not stuck trying to design 20 versions of the same thing. This helps with Pinterest's fresh content rules and it doesn't require you to lift a finger. Third, it connects directly to Pinterest. So once you've built your pins, you can either export them or smart schedule them straight to the platform. If you're brand new though, I highly recommend exporting your pins and manually uploading them for the first few weeks. That helps Pinterest trust your account early on. But even in the manual phase, Pin Generator can save you hours with pin creation and templates. So that's how you start making money with Pinterest and Amazon. I hope this video helped explain the process. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And once your setup is ready, go ahead and try out Pin Generator for free. I promise it'll change the way you create and promote your pins. If this video helped you get started with Pinterest and Amazon, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's next. I'm Max. I make weekly videos to simplify Pinterest marketing so you can get your content seen without burning out. I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.